What's up, everybody? Today we'll be taking a look at this ghost pepper plant. Oh yeah. Now this is being grown in the 7-gallon fabric pot. It's producing rather well. Got a number of ripened up pods right now. Go ahead, pan out a little bit. I've already picked a number of pods off this planter as the season's been going. Some nice looking pods on here. One thing that's awesome about ghost peppers is how well they produce. And they do bring in heat pretty well too. Alright, y'all. We'll get ready to squash this video out here shortly. But if you guys do have any questions or comments, put it in the section below. Do me a solid and like, subscribe, and or share. But alright, y'all. Stay tuned for more videos and keep it spicy, y'all. Alright. Peace out.